Hey there guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'll be showing you how to use Netflix What to Watch with Friends. Netflix does not currently have a built-in watch party button, but you can easily watch with friends using third-party browser extensions, video call sharing, or native mobile sharing features. One of the most popular methods is using this application called Teleparty, which you can find on your App Store. All you have to do is go ahead and tap on your search button, then type in Teleparty, and you should be able to find this application. Go ahead and install it. Now, once you open it, go ahead and create your account. From there, you should be able to share your screen and watch the movies together with your friends. Or what you can do is just share your screen from the Netflix player itself to a bigger screen like TV or even projector to enjoy the movies or TV shows or even CDs without any hassle. Or what you can also do is go ahead and download the Discord application, then open your Discord. Now, find yourself a channel with your friends. All you have to do is join a voice channel. Then from there, you should be able to find this share your screen option. All you have to do is go ahead and click on it, then tap on this next button, then select Netflix application, then start streaming your Netflix TV shows or series with your friends. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.